And here is a Jonathan Y lamp. This is JYL3046A. Okay, check out this lamp. This is a ceramic lamp. It's got the gold base. Here is the electric cord. It's kind of a silver and black. I've already got the bulb in it that it comes with. It's got the piece here that you can take off if you ever need to replace. Here is the lampshade. So I'll put that on. Comes with this screw top right here. And I'll get everything adjusted when I get it set in the place that I want it to go. But that's what it looks like. It's a little crooked right now, but I need to just adjust some things. All right, so let's test it out. It's got a, let's go to the other side here. This is the type of switch it has, so you turn it and they click. Yep, just like that. Okay, but very nice lamp. They have a few different color options. Jonathan Y, so this is a pretty cool lamp. Will look great in any room. Nice gold base. Let's turn this off, see what it looks like. Okay, just a one click and it comes off. But you can read all the specs online of everything else about it. I'll take this off one more time just so you can see the full lamp. And there you go. Pretty much does everything you need it to do. Here's the switch. And there you go. I highly recommend this. This is going to look great in any room. You should definitely check it out.